The next really important thing to remember about a sketch to stretch is that it is a sketch. This isn't draw a masterpiece to stretch. This is sketch to stretch. So that means this shouldn't be really fancy or look really good or make it look real or like, real life or something like that. This is why we're talking about symbols and using symbols. They should be simple. And, if we're sketching, then we can move fast and get a lot of ideas on paper. If we're trying to make it look really good and really realistic, chances are you're not going to draw all that you can. You're not going to get all the connections on paper that you can. And probably you're really only going to draw things that you know how to draw or that you feel confident drawing, which might have nothing to do with the message you're trying to send. So again, this is a sketch. This head, it looks kind of awkward and weird. I felt dumb drawing it, but you know what? It gets the point across. You can tell that this is a head, especially when I explain it, right? The nose, mouth. It's growing. There's a bunch of them, right? Again, like this is not really special or magical. It's not really great drawings. You might think this looks like an ant, but once I explain it, hey, that's a person climbing a mountain to the top, it makes sense to you. You're like, okay, yeah, that's fine. So again, it's the explanation that puts the strength and the power in a sketch to stretch. So don't get all caught up in trying to make it look, nice. Like, yeah, it shouldn't look like total sloppy mess, right? Don't just randomly put random drawings all over on top of each other. But at the same time, don't worry about how good it looks or if it's realistic or if you're a great artist. That's not the point. The point is being able to use some symbols, some nice simple symbols, right? Like arrows are really simple to explain something that I feel when it comes to, in this case, school or whatever else you're trying to sketch and explain.